Hi guys, so I just made this quick video to show you guys my geography class that I created this past week, and I went to googleclassrooms.com and I signed in as a teacher and I was able to create a classroom, and this is my geography class, so I called it Steve's Geography Class. That's what I titled it. And here on the side there's some themes. You can change the theme to your classroom or colors, whichever way you like. And so let me just show you. Here are the list of the assignments I created, plus just some slides for the students to see what's going on. And here on the side, we have the upcoming things that are due. So this will always be up for the students. So it's really nice. They can see what they need to work on. And so we have three menus at the top. The stream, which has everything going on, the classwork that has the assignments, slides, Google Docs, all the stuff students need to use, and the people, which has the students in the class and the teachers. So this is where you can add students here. You press add and you can invite a student by sending them an email. Then they can add your class, and you can even add teachers here. And then let me click here on classwork, and this will take you to all the assignments. So here I created a review of the geography class with using Google Slides, which is also easy to use. And then I created two homework assignments. The students can click on the assignments, and then it'll take them to the actual assignment. So here it says name all 50 states we have in our country. They click on the Google Doc, it'll open it right up, and there's their assignment. Each state is numbered, and they just have to type in the names of the states, and then they can share it here with me, and then I'll know that they completed it, which is awesome. And it's just an easy, fast way to get things done, which is awesome. And here I've created other little assignments like a discussion question and a tour builder assignment and a Google Expedition assignment. And like I said, all they have to do is click on it, and it gives a description, when I posted it, the due date, what time. It tells you how many students I assigned it to, who's turned it in, and here I can click to view the assignment, and it just gives you all these nice little things, like it tells you the points that it's worth. So it's just awesome technology to be using if you have the ability to do so. And it's easy to create another homework assignment or any other type of slide or Google Doc. You just click here, and then it gives you the option to create the things you want to do. So yeah, that's my short little tutorial of my Google Classroom. Hope you enjoyed.